Some people get excited about cheese or a well-made suit. Me? I like things that are properly big. Today we're looking at the world's largest mining truck tires, monumental feats of engineering that could swallow a small car whole. These giants stand over 4 meters tall, weigh more than an elephant, and cost more than a luxury car. Built to carry hundreds of tons across brutal landscapes, they're essential to modern industry. Forget everything you know about tires. This is the land of giants. We're diving into what it takes to create and operate these colossal circles of rubber. By the end, you'll never look at your car's tires the same way again. Let's start with the French, specifically, Michelin. In the world of heavy industry, few names carry as much weight, literally and figuratively, as Michelin. This French company has been at the forefront of tire innovation for over a century, but what they did for mining trucks was nothing short of revolutionary. Michelin's 5980R63 XDR tire was a revolution, not just a bigger tire, but a complete rethink of what was possible. It wasn't just about size, it was about reimagining the very limits of engineering safety and efficiency in some of the harshest environments on Earth. This tire stands over 13 feet tall, taller than a double-decker bus's lower deck. Imagine walking up to it and feeling dwarfed, like a child beside a skyscraper. Each one weighs over 5 tons, the same as a bull elephant napping on your wheel hub. That's more than most cars weigh, multiplied several times over. The trucks it fits, like the Caterpillar 797F, can haul 400 tons. Think carrying an Airbus A320 on your back. These machines are the giants of the mining world, and they demand tires that can keep up. Mining is relentless. A tire failure can cost a company tens of thousands per hour. Every minute a truck sits idle, profits slip away, and the pressure to keep moving is immense. So these Michelins are built to be unbelievably tough, resisting cuts, punctures, and extreme heat. They're engineered to survive sharp rocks, brutal impacts, and the kind of punishment that would shred ordinary tires in minutes. The secret: radial construction, sidewalls flex to absorb bumps, while the tread stays flat for maximum grip. This design innovation means better traction, less heat buildup, and a smoother ride for both truck and driver. The tread is so deep you could lose a badger in it, crucial for hauling up muddy gradients or stopping 600 tons on a descent. Deep grooves channel away mud and debris, keeping the trucks moving even in the worst conditions. Michelin didn't just build a tire, they built a system. Every aspect, from manufacturing to monitoring, is designed for maximum uptime and safety. Sensors monitor pressure and temperature in real time, preventing catastrophic blowouts that could send shrapnel flying. These high-tech systems are the silent guardians of the mine, working around the clock. These sensors are a lifeline, helping operators maximize tire life. Important, since each tire can cost over $50,000. That's a huge investment riding on a few inches of rubber. That's a new sports car, or one tire for one corner of a truck. It puts into perspective just how valuable and critical these tires are to the operation. The XDR made mining more efficient, bigger payloads, fewer trips, less fuel per ton moved. It's not just about brute strength, it's about smart engineering that saves time and money. It was a paradigm shift, forcing the industry to realize the only limit was the quarry floor. Suddenly, the scale of mining could grow, and so could the ambitions of those who worked there. The Michelin XDR set the benchmark for giant tires, forcing every other manufacturer to go bigger. It sparked a global race to build the toughest, most capable tires the world had ever seen. It's big, clever, French, and utterly brilliant. Michelin's innovation didn't just change tires, it changed the very nature of mining itself. And it changed mining forever, setting a new standard for what's possible when engineering meets ambition. If the French sparked revolution, igniting the world with bold new ideas and radical change, the Japanese perfected relentless improvement, an unwavering commitment to Kaizen, the art of never settling for good enough. Enter Bridgestone's 5980R63 VRPS, V Steel Rock Premium Service, a tire born from decades of quiet, determined progress. Where Michelin shouted revolution, Bridgestone whispered reliability, letting their results speak louder than words. In mining, a tire's life is measured in hours, not miles. Every extra hour squeezed from a tire is a hard-won victory, one that saves money, time, and lives. Bridgestone invested millions in materials science, developing advanced rubber compounds that resist cuts, chipping, and the relentless abuse of rock and debris. Their focus: prevent small cuts from becoming catastrophic failures, because in mining, even a tiny flaw can spell disaster. Heat is the silent killer of mining tires, so Bridgestone added cooling fins to the sidewalls, like heat sinks on a computer, drawing heat away and extending tire life. These tires work in the world's harshest mines, from the icy peaks of the Andes to the scorching red dust of the Australian outback, enduring extremes that would destroy ordinary tires. Consistency is key. Bridgestone's obsessive quality control means every VRPS tire is virtually identical, allowing precise maintenance planning and minimizing unexpected failures. The tread is a brutalist masterpiece, non-directional with massive blocks for stability and deep grooves to eject rocks and mud, keeping traction in the most unforgiving terrain. Their B-Tag system monitors tire health in real time, letting operators spot problems before disaster strikes and giving peace of mind in a high-stakes environment. Bridgestone didn't just copy Michelin, they proved their tires could last longer and save money, the Japanese way, with data, discipline, and relentless performance. The VRPS is the samurai of the tire world, disciplined, durable, and deadly effective, a testament to the Japanese art of never giving up. Now, the Americans, Goodyear, the grand old dame of tire making, brings pure muscle with the RM4A+. This 63-inch monster weighs nearly 5,400 kilograms, 2 Range Rovers, just for the tire. Built for hard rock mining, its thick sidewalls and high net-to-gross tread deliver immense traction and durability. The rubber compound is designed to run cool, allowing higher speeds and longer life. Speed equals productivity in mining. These tires are fitted to giants like the Komatsu 980E, with a single truck's tires worth over £250,000. Goodyear's global support network is a key selling point. Specialist engineers help mines anywhere, anytime. Manufacturing blends robotics with skilled human inspection, and the final curing, press, gives each tire its shape and strength. Their EM-Track system uses sensors and predictive analytics to forecast tire life and suggest improvements. The RM4A Plus is the American approach, big, powerful, and focused on raw performance. It's the Rocky Balboa of tires, taking every punch and just keeping on moving. If Goodyear is the American giant, the name everyone knows, the company with a century of history and a global reach, then Titan Tire is the gritty underdog. Based in Illinois, Titan doesn't have the same household recognition, but it's built a reputation for taking on the impossible. Titan's entry into the 63-inch club was a matter of national pride and sheer determination. For the team, it wasn't just about making a bigger tire, it was about proving that American manufacturing could still lead the world in innovation and toughness. Competing with global giants required new engineering, advanced materials, and a willingness to take risks that others wouldn't. The scale of investment was massive. Many thought it couldn't be done, that Titan was biting off more than it could chew. But Titan's CEO, Maury Taylor, refused to back down, rallying his team with a relentless drive and a belief that they could outwork and outthink the competition. He set his sights on the demanding oil sands of Alberta, Canada, a place where only the toughest tires survive. To meet the challenge, Titan built their own giant curing presses, custom designed for these colossal tires. They developed specialized rubber compounds engineered to withstand extreme cold, punishing loads, and the relentless abuse of mining operations. The result? A tire with a nearly indestructible carcass, reinforced sidewalls that shrug off impacts, and deep, aggressive tread designed for maximum traction in the world's most brutal conditions. Titan emphasizes its made in the USA credentials, proudly stamping every tire as a testament to American craftsmanship and ingenuity. This approach fosters a sense of partnership with North American customers who know they're getting a product built for their unique challenges. Their factory in Ohio is a cathedral of heavy industry, echoing with the sounds of progress and pride. Here, man and machine work side by side, forging each tire with skill, sweat, and a sense of purpose. Titan's approach is hands-on, working directly with mine crews, offering practical advice, on-site support, and no-nonsense solutions that keep trucks rolling. The Titan 63-inch tire is more than a product. It's a statement of what's possible when determination meets American know-how. It's a symbol of American grit, ambition, and the belief that no challenge is too big. The underdog with a powerful bite, built to conquer the harshest terrain and keep moving forward. Titan proves you can move mountains, or at least build the tires for the trucks that do, one revolution at a time. Now, to Belarus, home of Belshina and their formidable 5980R63 Bel 16. Born in the Soviet era, Belshina's philosophy is simple: strength, simplicity, and reliability. Their tires are built for Bel AZ trucks, including the world record-holding 75710, which hauls 450 tons. These trucks operate in Siberia's coal fields, where temperatures can drop to -50 Celsius. Normal rubber would shatter. Belshina developed specialized compounds to stay flexible in extreme cold, drawing on decades of Siberian experience. The tire's design is brutally utilitarian: chunky block tread for traction, no fancy flourishes, just raw functionality. Their main market is Russia and CIS countries, offering a durable, cost-effective alternative to Western brands. The Belshina plant in Babruysk is a throwback to Soviet-scale industry, massive, awe-inspiring, and built for heavy engineering. As Belshina exports more widely, they're challenging the established order with toughness and value. The Belshina 5980R63 is a product of a different history and set of priorities: rugged, reliable, and quietly getting the job done. So, there you have it. From French innovation to Japanese perfection, American muscle, and Belarusian grit, these aren't just tires, they're the unsung heroes of modern industry, making mining on a massive scale possible. Every time you use your phone or drive your car, you benefit from what these giants help dig from the earth. They're the pinnacle of engineering, operating at the limits of what's possible. Next time you see a massive quarry, spare a thought for the tires making it all happen. Which one impressed you most? Michelin's innovation, Bridgestone's durability, Goodyear's performance, Titan's grit, or Belshina's ruggedness? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more journeys into the world of incredible engineering.